In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through a simple example so you can understand not just what to type, but also how the formula works. HLOOKUP is useful when your lookup values are arranged horizontally across the top row of a table, and you want Excel to return related information from a row below. To begin, create your table and then create a lookup area beside it. Your main table should contain the data you want to search, and your lookup area will be the place where you enter the value you want Excel to find and display the result. In this example, the data table is in cells A1 through D4. Make sure the values you want to search are in the top row of that table, because HLOOKUP always looks across the first row of the selected range. Next, click in cell G3 and type this formula exactly, equals HLOOKUP. Open parenthesis G2, A1 colon dash comma 2, false close parenthesis. Then press enter. Once you do that, Excel will search for the value entered in cell G2 inside the first row of the range A1 to D4. When it finds a match, it will return the corresponding value from the second row of that same table. That row number is controlled by the number 2 in the formula, so in this case, Excel is pulling data from row 2 of the selected range. Here's what each part means in a practical way. G2 is the cell where you type the ID or lookup value you want to search for. G3 is where you enter the HLOOKUP formula, so the result appears there. A1 to D4 is the full table that contains both the lookup values and the related data. The word false at the end tells Excel to look for an exact match, which is usually the best option when you're searching for IDs, codes, or specific labels. One of the most helpful things about this setup is that you only need to change the value in G2. As soon as you type a different ID there, the result in G3 updates automatically. That makes this a quick and efficient way to search data without manually scanning a table. And that's it. You've now used HLOOKUP to search a horizontal table in Excel and return a matching value automatically. Once you're comfortable with this basic structure, you'll be able to apply the same idea to many other worksheets and lookup tasks.